Hey, it's Tally. Smart move. You just activated one of the industry's most popular features for growing loan and layaway balances, Mobile Messenger. In this 4-part video series, we are going to cover everything you need to know and do to send text messages to your customers. Before we dive in, we're going to discuss the difference between text messages, also known as SMS, this is different than push notifications, and regular messages versus notices versus scheduled events. If you are already familiar with these differences in terminology, you can skip to video number 2, Store Employee and Workstation Configuration. A text message, or texting, is the act of composing and sending electronic messages consisting of alphabetic and numeric characters from the Bravo platform to your customer's mobile device. While a push notification, also sent to your customer's mobile device via the Bravo platform, is sent to the mobile app they've downloaded. Bravo offers 3 message types: regular, notice, and scheduled events. Regular messages are unique one-off messages that can be sent to a specific customer or group of customers. The example here is a one-off message to a single customer. Notices and reminder messages for loans and/or layaway payments, as seen here in this example. And finally, scheduled events are marketing campaigns set in advance for any event or holiday. We've included a text message consent form in the Bravo Solution Center for your convenience. Now that we're speaking the same language, let's jump into Bravo and configure your store, workstations, and employees. For additional assistance, give us a call at 888-407-6287. Thanks and have a great day.